Have you heard about GLP-1 medications like Wegovy, Zepbound, Ozempic, or Mounjaro? These medications are changing the way we treat obesity and diabetes. But here's something most people don't realize. Your body already makes its own GLP-1 naturally, and there are ways to further boost it. Hi, I'm Dr. Bazgha Khalid. I am an internal medicine and obesity medicine specialist, and today I'll explain what GLP-1 is, how it works in our body, and most importantly, how you can naturally boost your body's GLP-1 level with evidence-based tips. And here's the secret. Even when you are not on a GLP-1 medication, boosting your body's own GLP-1 can help with appetite regulation, weight management, and blood sugar control. So what is GLP-1? GLP-1 stands for glucagon-like peptide 1, which is a hormone released by cells in our small intestine right after we eat. This is a signal to the brain and pancreas that food is on its way. So here's what GLP-1 does. It slows down how quickly your stomach empties food so you feel full longer. It signals your pancreas to release insulin, which helps with blood sugar control. It suppresses glucagon, the hormone that normally raises our blood sugar. And it acts directly on the brain to reduce appetite. In short, GLP-1 is your body's natural appetite suppressant and blood sugar stabilizer. It is your body's natural Ozempic. So what are GLP-1 medications? You've probably heard of medications like Ozempic, Wegovy, Mounjaro, or Zepbound. These are called GLP-1 receptor agonists, which means they mimic the action of your body's GLP-1, but in a stronger, longer lasting way. All the craze about GLP-1 medications is because of their benefits. They help with significant weight loss, 15 to 21% in some studies. They help lower blood sugar in type 2 diabetics. They help reduce risk for heart disease in some high-risk patients, help with blood pressure control, reduce inflammation, and much more. I actually have a video about GLP-1 medication benefits beyond weight loss, and I'll post the video link in description. So let's now talk about drawbacks of GLP-1 medications. They are expensive. Side effects like nausea, vomiting, constipation are common early on. And since these medications significantly prolong the effect of GLP-1, they may sometimes cause serious side effects like pancreatic inflammation, gastroparesis, which is the slowing of the stomach, other things like dehydration and kidney problems. So while GLP-1 medications are a very powerful tool, they're not a magic bullet. If you're wondering why should you even bother boosting your body's GLP-1, let me tell you why. Here are some of the benefits of GLP-1. GLP-1 controls appetite and cravings, helps improve blood sugar, especially if you are at risk for diabetes, and supports long-term weight management. Now, here's the key. You don't need to be on a GLP-1 medication to benefit from GLP-1. And here comes the most important question. How do you boost your body's GLP-1 naturally? Let's talk about tips which are supported by evidence. High protein diets. Lean proteins like chicken, fish, eggs, or Greek yogurt stimulate GLP-1 release. One of the evidence comes from a study published in 2006 showing high protein meals increase GLP-1 and PYY hormone release, reducing appetite. Dietary fiber, especially soluble fiber, foods like oats, beans, lentils, vegetables, flaxseed ferment in the gut and boost GLP-1 release. Study published in 2015 found that fiber fermentation in the gut promotes GLP-1 release. Healthy fats. Omega-3 rich fats, especially salmon, walnuts, chia seeds, olive oil, stimulate GLP-1. Study published in 1999 demonstrated dietary fat enhanced GLP-1 secretion. Polyphenol-rich foods, berries, green tea, dark chocolate, coffee, all have compounds that trigger GLP-1 release. Study published in 2016 linked coffee polyphenols with increased GLP-1 activity. That's another good reason to have your tea and your coffee. Exercise, not a surprise there, but exercise, both aerobic and resistance training, increases GLP-1 secretion and improves how sensitive your body is to it. Gut health, your gut bacteria help regulate GLP-1. Probiotic foods like kefir, yogurt, sauerkraut, kimchi support a healthy microbiome that boosts GLP-1 level. Adequate sleep is essential. Think of 8 as a magic number. Poor sleep reduces GLP-1 secretion. A study published in 2012 showed sleep restriction lowered GLP-1 level even in healthy adults. Weight loss itself helps promote GLP-1. Losing even 5 to 10% of body weight can improve natural GLP-1 function. And then there are supplements that may help boost GLP-1. Supplements like whey protein or protein powders. Protein digestion stimulates GLP-1 release. Whey protein in particular increases GLP-1 level and satiety. Prebiotics and probiotics help improve gut microbiome and enhance GLP-1 level secretion from cells. Omega-3 fatty acids or fish oil. Small studies suggest that omega-3 fatty acids may enhance GLP-1 secretion. Berberine. Berberine helps improve gut microbiome. It helps with the sugar metabolism and may help stimulate GLP-1. Green tea extract may help slow carbohydrate digestion and increase GLP-1 level. Here are a few things to consider about supplements. Supplements should be seen as an add-on to nutrition, not as a replacement. Also, please always check interaction if you are on prescription medications. So here's a secret sauce for boosting your body's GLP-1 naturally. Protein, fiber, healthy fats, exercise, gut health, sleep, and supplements. So why does this matter long term? Boosting your natural GLP-1 isn't about your appetite today. It's about long-term health and long-term health goals. Higher GLP-1 levels are associated with lower risk for diabetes, lower risk for heart disease or cardiovascular disease, and better weight management in the long run. So here's the bottom line. Your body already makes GLP-1 and you can naturally boost it with smart nutrition, movement, and gut health. While medications are powerful tools, but lifestyle is still the foundation. Let me know in comments if you would like me to share some GLP-1 boosting food recipes. If you found this helpful, please like and share with a family or a friend and subscribe for more.